Hello student. Uh, Today we will see the examples of unordered list. As you know that we are using ordered list which consists the numeric values, but if we have to display the bulletins, then we can use or we can prefer the unordered list or a bulleted list. So for that we are using UL tag, UL for unordered list. So default is black circle. If you not specify its type, UL type, and then if you not decide their type, then we must have to automatically that bullets will appear with black circle. See this example, that is title example of HTML unordered list, then HTML unordered list, and different items which we have taken that in list item tag, that is CLI tag, basics of IT, HTML5, PostgreSQL, and all. So these three items will be displayed with the bullets. Now see the attributes of unordered list. Okay, so first attribute, that is type, is equal to this circle or square, but we have to also consider if you use the type is equal to disk or circle or square. So disk will be display the filled circle will display the empty circle, and the square, which is empty square, will be displayed. But if we are using the CSS or we are using the HTML5, so type attribute is not used majorly. Hence we have to use style CSS there, and through that we can display the value. So we can write style is equal to list dash style dash type colon disk. So for that we can use style attribute, and the value of style attribute will be list dash style dash type and then colon disk. So this display the item marker to a bullets, which is a default bullet. Then list dash style dash type colon circle, which display the circle. Then list dash type style dash type colon square, we display the square bullets. And next one is last one, that is list dot style dot type is equal to none, then no any list item will be displayed. uh, so as I told earlier, see the note that HTML5 does not support bullet, circle, and square value for the type attribute. Instead of that we have to use CSS type. Okay, now the next type of list, that is definition list. So to define a definition list, DL tag is used. We are using the DL tag. So you can create items in definition list with the DT and DD tags. So the DT is a definition title, and DD is the definition data. The DT tag is used to define the terms, whereas the DD tag is used to define the terms definition. Means if you see the example, then you will understand it's better. Now see the example. We have taken the DL definition list, DL tag, we have opened it. Then in DT we have taken the web, we have closed DT. Then in DD we are writing the content definition web. What is web? So that we are writing in DD the part of internet that contains websites and web pages. Then we have closed the DD. Then again we have opened DT, that is consists the HTML. So in after the DT we are using DD, which consists a markup language for creating web page. Means HTML is a markup language that we have to define. Okay, so that definition we can writing using DD. So such more tag we can see, and also we can now check the output which is given. We can see the example of HTML definition list. Then web is appears with bold and as a title, and DD is display as a paragraph, we can say, or with that view, means that definition is displayed. Okay, now the next concept, that is a nested list. So nested list means we can use the different types of list in one list. Means ordered list, unordered list, we can nested. Means we can use sometime, we can use For example, um, courses in Nandip, courses and subject in Nandip, we have to display. So for that we can take first the courses, that is 11th commerce, 11th science. So that for that we will use the different listing times. Suppose if you used here ordered list, and we have to display now subject of commerce and science. So that subject, for that subject we can use different listing type. Okay, so that is called as nested list. Now see the example. They have taken HTML nested list. In while we have written the introduction to IITM, means chapters they have written. After that, they have taken the UL tag, unordered list. So and they have taken the circle, that is attribute. Then they have written that definition of DBMS, application of DBMS, advantage of DBMS. Then they close the UL tag. Again they are continuing the previous list, that is ordered list. Okay, so HTML nested list, after that PostgreSQL will be appears, and within that, with the help of OL tag, the content will be displayed. Now see the output of this, which is in your textbook. Okay, verify the output and see. Okay, now the listing part is over here. One more thing is also there, that is a multi-level list. So in that we are using different types of nesting. Okay, go through that example. Thank you.